Basketball, you betcha we're back. It's 2-a-days, so I'm always back in the gym, ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed for the game that you love to play each and every day. I'm trying to give it to you in each and every way, too. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Basketball U. As you know what to do and you know what we're about to do. So let's get ready and get to it. Again, I'm getting right into it. You're going to go straight from the top of the half court or the top of the key or wherever you're at. And you're going to dribble up and work on the pull up. Okay. The key here is you're going full speed, working on your breakdown. Are you into your shot? Are you falling forward? What are you doing wrong? And why is your shot not going in when you're going full speed and trying to stop on the dime? So now you're trying to figure out, what can I do to help myself make this shot? Well, you have to understand, even though you're going full speed, once you stop, it's your normal shot again. But you have to be engaged in order to get in that correct form that you're used to. So it's important that when you're doing this, you are trying to go full speed. You're getting air under the ball so you can get your feet under you, and then you can set them in order to get that shot. If you're dribbling too high with the ball, that's probably going to stand you up and you want to stay down. You're going to do this on the right side, you're going to make 10. You're going to do this on the left side, you're going to make 10. Then when you go again, I want you to try to stop with one leading leg. So you're going to stop with the right leg, pull up. You're going to stop with the left leg, pull up. So you're going to do this on both sides again, and you're going to make 10. Okay, and we're just going to give you that for now because we don't want it to get too tricky on you. Then we're going to work our shooting form after this because you may feel a little discouraged, so you may need to see the ball go in. So we're going to get right under the basket. We're going to make some shots right under. So not shooting form yet, just shoot the ball off the glass, see it go in, make a quick 15. You're working on visualizing. On the left side, make 15. Then we're going to go shooting form. We're going to make 5 on the right side, 5 in the front, 5 on the left. We want you to see the ball go in, see it go in, see it go in. Then we're going to go all around the world. Okay. Once we shoot around the world one time, you're going there and back around the key. Then we're going to implement a new drill where we drive from the wing where your body is turned. So you're not always going to get to go north and south when you shoot. You've got to understand how to shoot when your body is turned. So we're going to dribble with our left hand, step that right foot in and shoot. We're going to do the same thing on the left side where we're dribbling with our right hand, turning our left foot in and shooting. Okay. We're going to make 10 on each side. Again, this is something for you to work on if you're not making shots right away. You can come in closer and still work the same footwork. It's not about doing it all game like. It's working the fundamentals and the mechanics first, and then you can go back to the free throw line, back to the 3, or wherever you need to represent the shot you're going to take in the game. Now, one thing I also want you to understand is this is the same thing with going full speed and being balanced. So once we've done this, then we'll go to our shooting form again where we're working our footwork. So we'll roll the ball out, we'll step left, we'll step right, and we'll make sure we're shooting it the right way. Okay, because again, you have to do it and then kind of remind yourself of the correct way to do it if you weren't making shots or you felt discouraged. Okay, so it's just all about reprogramming what you already know how to do or what you're learning to do the right way and continue to work those right steps. Now what I want to see is I want to see us go into our star drill. Okay, so now we're working our footwork again, but we're moving all around. Okay, when we're doing this, the star drill is basically going to be mid-range, and again, it's from the baseline to the elbow to the other elbow to the other baseline and then to the middle. Okay, and then we get that free throw shot in to kind of let us rest a little bit. Let's get 2 free throw shots in today and let's make both of them. You have to make both free throws in order to move on to the next set. We're going to make 3 sets today, so you're going to be a little tired. We're going to do it on the mid-range, then we're going to do it at the 3 because I know you're ready to shoot the 3 already. You've probably been waiting the whole workout. You probably already shot a couple when you came back from any type of water break that you took on your own. So that's okay. Let's get that 3 ball up, and remember, it's the corner 3, the opposite wing, also the other wing, and the other baseline, and then the 3-point line, and then you are going to step back to the free throw line and make 2. Same rules. You got 3 that you need to convert to move on to the next thing. Now we're going to go to still shooting on the move again from the 3. We're going to shoot our baseline 3, run and go catch our own rebound, sprint out to the other opposite corner 3, shoot that as well, and then we're going to do the same on the wing as we make that little U, working that footwork as we turn into it and square our shoulders. So there, I want you to make 10. So we're going to make 5 at the bottom, 5 at the top. All right. Again, you're getting your conditioning in now, so you won't have to get it in later. Try to go full speed, because as you get tired, what changes? The jump shot. So you got to understand how to shoot while you're tired or while you're being pressured and all these other things. Okay. Then I'm going to take you around the world on the 3 again. This is fine because you don't have to run as much. You're just more set shooting. You kind of jog to go get your rebound, jog back. This isn't a speed drill. You're only going to go around the one time. You're not going to come back around. You're more than welcome to put that extra work in and go back around if you'd like. Then I want you to dribble up and shoot 3s, because we haven't done that in a couple days. So I want you to dribble up and shoot those 3s from the right wing, in the middle, and in the left wing. But remember, you're using both hands. So I want you dribbling up with the right, then I want you coming up with the left on the same side. And we're going to make 3 each, because that's going to be pretty tiring after you've already done everything that I've asked you in the drills thus far. Okay. Then we're looking at free throws. Okay. We're going to settle everything down. We're going to shoot 20 free throws. Okay. The goal is to be at least 16 out of 20 on these free throws. I'm willing to give you 15 out of 20. Just depends on how you feel. Okay. So 15 out of 20, we'll get it done, but the goal would be 16 out of 20. So let's shoot for that. Now, last thing I want to do is I want to catch the ball on the go, and I want to shoot those shots. Okay. This speeds you up a little bit. It kind of messes with your rhythm a little bit, because you're throwing it out to yourself and you're ripping through on the catch, and you're trying to get full speed ahead of the person, and you're trying to stop on the dime, and you're trying to get your form. All these different things are happening, right? And it gets frustrating because you get sped up and you're not making the shots that you want. And you're probably tired, since this is the last part of the drill, and that's why I left it at the end. But don't worry, because the mental toughness aspect is going to allow us to make these shots, and we want to be mentally tough just as physical. So basketball, you don't get discouraged if you're missing shots. Continue to make them. We're going to go 5 on one side, 5 on the other. All right. Then, since you've gotten all your running in pretty much and your conditioning, I don't think we're going to condition. Okay. So the last thing I'm going to do, which I haven't really put in a lot of things for this, but we miss a lot of shots, right? So we need to be a little bit better on our rebounding. So what I'm going to do is just do our rebounding drill at the end for, I guess you could say this is conditioning, or we can just call it extra work, whatever you want. So we're going to throw the rebound drill in there. Remember, we're trying to tip it up to ourselves, and we are trying to catch it in the air and finish in the air. If we can't finish in the air, then we want to grab it, we want to land, we want to finish that layup. Okay. Second chance points are just as key as any other type of points. Remember, we are here to just work as hard as we can so we can be better. We're not trying to beat anybody out in anything right now, because it's the summer and we're working on ourselves, our self-development, our self-desire, our own mindset, and we are trying to be better each day. So with that being said, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? Let's get ready, because someone's always working. Are you?